When international students come to China to study, it's not only about sitting in the classroom and learning the measures that they came to study. It's also about sports and cultural exchange. That's why in many Chinese, in fact, in all Chinese universities, there is always this event called the International Cultural Festival, where every year students from different countries will display their culture in dressing, in dances, in food. So they don't only have the opportunity to share their cultures with the Chinese people, but they also have the opportunity to learn Chinese culture. So today in Business Connect, I'll be taking you around different Chinese universities to show you how this event, how the International Cultural Festival is held in different Chinese universities all over China. Hey guys, welcome to the channel. This is Business Connect. My name is Roy. If this is your first time watching my channel, here I do videos about my life in China. I share my experiences, the things that I go through as an international student, as a worker, and I just share the different things that foreigners go through here in China. So if you're interested in such content, please don't leave this video without smashing that subscription button. Join us on the channel so that each time I do interesting videos like this, YouTube will notify you and you will be the first to watch our videos. So without much ado, let me take you around to show you how the International Cultural Festival is celebrated in different Chinese
真是天使般美妙的歌声，不过是我们最美留学生中文歌曲比赛的冠军选手。对不起，我的中文不好。对不起，对不起，我不知道你说什么。对不起，我的中文不好。对不起，对不起，我只想跟你当朋友。你好吗？你的英文好好。哈哈，还要讲。你是美国人吗？我不是美国人，我来自维也纳了。如果你。I'm really tired, man. Hey, 我饿。我饿了。
Swear I won't forget this, why do I regret this? In my mind reckless, thoughts are feeling endless. Sitting up I'm breathless, anxiety's infectious. I feel so defenseless, betrayed and embarrassed. I hate being open, I hate being broken. I feel like an ocean filled up with emotion. Anger ain't a potion, rub it on like lotion. I can feel it soaking, reopen, the scars have awoken.
Hope you enjoyed this amazing episode of Business Connect. If you did, please don't leave the video without giving us a thumbs up. Let us know what you think in the comments section below. And if until this time you're not still a subscriber, what are you waiting for? Smash that subscription button and join us on the channel so that when we do more amazing videos like this, YouTube will notify you and you will be the first to watch our videos. Until now, let's peace out. I'll catch you in our next video. Bye bye.